Hello guys, welcome to an unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox two amplifiers that I bought from Banggood. So let us open it. These are two amplifiers. These two amplifiers, one is ZK-MT21 and ZK-TB21. So let's open one by one. So the ZK-MT21 costs around $13, around 1200 rupees, including shipping to India. So let's unwrap. Wow, look at the quality of the board. Each component is well finished. The heatsink, Bluetooth, 3.5mm jack, output terminals, input 12 volts DC, the capacitor, front panel knobs. The quality of the board is amazing. Let's see what else is given inside. So you can see the branding. It's model number ZK-MT21, 50 watt into 2 plus a 100 watt subwoofer, 2.1 channel power amplifier. You can see the labels here, could be matching for these knobs, and you can see the prints over here, the input voltage range and the polarity, including the subwoofer, left right channels, aux in, and its model number printed. So this is the top panel, and probably this is the bottom panel. You can pause the video and read the content. So what else is given inside the box? Screwdriver, some screws, spacers, DC male jack, front knob caps. That's it. So let's get into the other product that we have purchased. This is the ZK-TB21, costing around $70, including shipping. It costed around 1600 rupees. So let's unwrap. Amazing, right? The quality of the board, the components, marvelous. It's similar to the MT model, but a bigger in size. You can see the difference, the height. Almost the components are similar, but the chipset inside is a Texas TP chipset, whereas in the MT model it is a domestic chipset. So the cost difference. Same branding, the quality, the finishing is much different to that of the earlier one. This looks a little premium. The difference is just the jack. We've gotten is a DC male jack here, and this is a kind of a connector pin. As we can see, there's a connector option and a DC male jack option, but in the MT board this is only a DC female jack. So let's see the chipset inside. Let's open the heatsink. This is the difference in the size of the heatsinks. Let's put the heatsinks aside. Let's see the naming of the chipset. On the MT21, you can see the chipset name, CS8673. And coming to the TB21, so this is the TPA3116 Texas chipset, whereas the MT contains a domestic chipset. In another video we will assemble all the parts, and thank you for watching this.